Welcome to the in front of me Honor 9X Lite, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings app, and here go to the sound section. Here you get the ringtone volume panel. Just to mute your ringtone, swipe with your finger this blue dot to the left side, and that's it. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just make sure that here on the default volume button control section you get selected the ringtone volume, and here on the right side of your device you got the volume buttons, and now just tap on the down volume button and you can also mute your ringtone. And the third way, that just you can tap here on your down or up volume button, that doesn't matter, and you will see here I'll show you the settings icon. Just tap there and you also will launch your sound settings, and by this way you can also mute your ringtone. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.